Hey guys, Will here from Willpower Garage. We're going to be starting a new video series. I know most of you guys that subscribe to the channel come here for my repair videos, but I'm going to go on a week-long journey with my father-in-law, and that week-long journey is called Drag Week. Basically, Hot Rod Drag Week is a week-long event where you take your street car, you drive from track to track, go to different checkpoints, and basically try to see that your street car can actually make it to these tracks. You have to set times each day, and anything that breaks, only you and your co-pilot can fix it. So we're really excited about this event. What I'm not really too excited about is the car's condition that I'm going to use for this event. Now this car here is a 1985 Pontiac Trans Am. It is actually my first car that my parents bought for me when I was about 14 years old. Rebuilt it, that one first time, and drove it all through high school. Now this car has been sitting in a carport next to my shop where I film all my videos for basically the last 10 years. The engine that's in it is a small block Chevy, has a blown head gasket, so we're either going to go small block Chevy or LS swap. Guys, I'm going to try to update these videos as often as possible so you could see the build progress along the way. I basically want to make this car competitive in the street race power adder, and that class can go up to 850s, so that's 150 mile an hour trap speed. So I'm still going to be posting my videos on repairs as they come, like always, but I'm going to mix in a little bit of the videos on the build here. And when I say the build here, I mean we're going to build this from engine to rear axle. We'll even do some unboxing videos because I've already started buying some of the parts. Once the event comes, I'm going to make videos of the full event, and we'll even do some live streams while we're at the event. So guys, if you're excited about this video series, please like, subscribe, and share the videos. Can't wait to have you guys along for the journey.
You did it!
Did I do it?
You did it!